Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is your Kinyarwanda language teacher Denise. I'm here today to tell you about 5 tips to speak Kinyarwanda in 3 months. How is it possible that you can speak this beautiful language in 3 months? Let's start. Tip number 1, study more. Of course, for learning a language, you need to study. But let me tell you, studying does not happen only in classroom or in online. Wherever you are learning with teachers, different teachers, with me, or studying happens every day and happens when you really commit yourself to study every single day. Please study more. That's why I said study more, because I know you are studying, but make some effort and study more every day. You can just take few minutes. You can spare some few minutes in your busy schedule, even if it's just 10 minutes every single day. Try to learn something new. If it's a new word, if it's a new phrase, if it's a new verb, it's a new whatever words you want to learn, just try to learn, try to memorize as much as you can, just in few minutes, and do it every single day. Tip number 2, listen and speak. I know you are listening to different stuff on YouTube or on radio, on TV, or you're trying to listen to Kinyarwanda songs, but I want you not to stop by listening, but also speak. Try to repeat. When you listen to something, pause and repeat. Do it also many times in a week, or just spare a few minutes to do that. Practice every single day. Listen and speak. I know listening also helps a lot in memorizing things, and also speaking helps you to know how to pronounce words and to be confident wherever, when you go outside and try to practice with people, because you have already memorized how to pronounce those words. It's going to help you to speak confidently, so without fear. Tips number 3, read and write. We also know very well that reading is a crucial component in learning languages. When you read, you remember things easily. When you read, you learn vocabulary many times. It helps. So many people have talked about this. This is not a new thing. Reading helps in learning a language. But I want you also to combine reading and writing. You read, but also try to produce your own reading. If it's a text you are reading, a short text, let's say, depending on your level, read the text and try to produce a small story, just a short story, even if it's just one paragraph, but just produce something. It's your own story. Even if you just try to think in your language and translate in Kinyarwanda, but you are writing something. Read and write. Let's say you are reading a dialogue in Kinyarwanda. Try to make the same. Just make your own dialogue in Kinyarwanda. I like to use that technique a lot, because I know when you also produce your own writing, your own text, your own story, also helps to somehow think in that language, and also to know how words are used in a story, in a sentence. And so you are practicing also to write and also to know more new words. So tips number 4 is to keep track on your progress. Like, you are learning, but most of the time when you know things, you use them many times, but you forget that it's good that you keep progress and know that you have learned this, you are learning this, and you are going to learn this. So it's a progress. Learning is a progress. It's a journey. So that means, like, you have to know what you have already mastered and try to learn new things. So it happens only when you can track about your learning and also know your level. like whatever are you in this kind of journey of learning Kinyarwanda. Tip number 5, practice all those tips that I have already mentioned every single day. Practice, study, practice, listen and speak, practice, read and write, practice to keep track on your learning progress, because it helps you to know where you are and where you want to go. So do all this practice every single day. Please remember, this is a discussion. Put your comments if you want. Tell us what you think about learning Kinyarwanda if you have tried, or tell us your plan about learning Kinyarwanda. And remember, I'm here to help you. If you want to study Kinyarwanda, you can contact me. I have my email address and all contacts in the comment section in my description. You can contact me. We do online classes, we do in person, we do groups, we do individual classes, all types of learning. I'm here to help you. Thank you so much. Keep following us and remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any video about my teaching. Thank you. Murakoze cyane, umunsi mwiza. Have a good day.